Residents of Felda Mata Ayer did not expect to face waist-deep floods as the area had not experienced such severe flooding for more than 40 years, to the point that they had to be moved to a temporary relief centre. Most of the residents interviewed by Bernama at the Dewan Semai Bakti Felda Mata Ayer Relief Centre near Padang Besar on Monday said they had made no preparations for the floods during this monsoon season.
Rokiaman, 64, said she had never experienced flooding of this scale in the Felda area in the past 43 years, and the situation forced her to move to the relief centre yesterday.
Tak sangka lah kita ingat duduk biasa hujan. Lagu tu dari ayat naik sikit dia pergi ngayak. Apa dia buka jalan pi tak apa. Kita duduk terjaga kat atas pun duduk tengoklah kata. Ayat dia pelan-pelan. Nanti tok kali belakang tengok tuduk kata semua ada hanyut habis dah. Tengok tu asu bunga kita tenggelam habis dah. Katalah sikit lagi tak pernah dia naik pun naik sikit je. Ni kali ni dia naik banyak.
Meanwhile, another Felda resident, Rahayani Subo, 38, said she had never faced flooding this severe in the 12 years she has lived with her in-laws in the settlement. This is her first time experiencing life at a relief centre.
Walaupun hujan lebat, tak pernah lah lagi kena banjir sampai macam ni.
Bila ayat parah mana?
Kalau saya masuk kat dapur tu parah pinggang dah lah. Sebab rumah ibu saya nak turun ke dapur tu ada satu anak tangga. Dia naik sampai ke rumah ibu.
Kira kan tak pernah banjir, so tak ada buat persediaan apa lah.
Tak ada. Cuma dah buat kelab petik air je.
Petik air bawa pindah pergi
ada rumah lama Felda kan kami buat kat itu. Tangkap pitok kat situ je lah.
Both flood victims said they were comfortable with the facilities provided at the relief centre and were able to adapt to the situation despite it being their first time of being relocated to the centre.